P. Bradley McIntyre, Bradley McIntyre, Bradley McIntyre, 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 Bradley McIntyre, 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 Bradley McIntyre. Peter Bradley McIntyre, February 9, 1872, April 20, 1952, was a member of the Wisconsin State Assembly. Biography. McIntyre was born on February 9, 1872, in Muskota, Wisconsin. He went on to work for the Federal Land Bank. He married Sarah Elizabeth Chandler in 1897. Political career. McIntyre was a member of the Assembly from 1937 to 1944. Previously, he was clerk of Muskota from 1897 to 1908 and chairman of Muskota in 1904. He was a Republican. References